Everyone knows that hybrids are the strongest beings in Tokyo Ghoul. So do you know how they are born? And why aren't they mass-produced or replicated? First of all, you need to understand why hybrids are so powerful. In fact, ghouls are not a species in the traditional sense, but are more like a virus infection. Not only do ghouls have RC cells, but normal humans also have them, with only a difference in concentration. Therefore, for half humans and half ghouls who survive successfully, the RC cells basically maintain an average level. They won't be suppressed by the body and become ordinary people, nor will they completely turn into ghouls. Their bodies can control the situation, and as long as they gradually adapt, they can grow indefinitely. However, why aren't they mass-produced? The reason is that the method of their birth is extremely difficult. First, let's talk about half-humans. They only have slightly higher physical fitness than ordinary humans and are no different from ordinary people in other aspects. They can only be born as the offspring of humans and ghouls. Among these offspring, a small number will become half-ghouls, like Kaneki-ken. Moreover, the lifespan of these half-humans is extremely short. They start to age rapidly after reaching adulthood. Unlike half-humans, half-ghouls can also be created through transplantation. All it takes is to transplant a ghoul's internal organs, or kaguni, into a human body. This has been experimented with not only by the CCG, but also by Furuta Nimura. Kaneki-ken became a half-ghoul by transplanting internal organs. However, this method is extremely risky, and it's very difficult to reach the level of strength that Kaneki-ken has. In addition, unless they are naturally born, half-ghouls can only eat humans. As the human-side organization, the CCG won't keep them, so this path of creating half-ghouls has been abandoned. Next is the issue of survival methods. Half-humans can eat human food and they don't have kagun. They seem no different from ordinary humans, so they can perform tasks normally in the CCG. But to let half-humans reproduce naturally, the CCG doesn't have enough living ghouls, so the path of mass-producing half-humans is also blocked.